Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you page isn't available on Instagram right now. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is check your internet connection. If your internet connection is weaker, that might be also be causing the issue that you are facing. So just simply changing over to the stronger Wi-Fi connection or internet connection will fix the issue. But if you are still having that issue, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your browser app, and then on the search bar simply type in down detector and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once it loads, here you'll be able to see the servers that is present right here, and among them you can check to see if the Instagram server is working properly or not. Sometimes the server might be down, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. But if you are still having the issue and are having the problem, then what you can do, the next step is to head over to your settings app, scroll down, then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is tap on Instagram and then tap on this offload app option. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just once that process is done, tap on this delete app, and once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.